All right, welcome. Nine Dimes Project. This video, we're getting into side businesses that actually scale, when you're not just trading time for money. So there's a difference between a side business that pays you $500 one time and a side business that pays you $500 every month on autopilot. Most people pick the wrong type of side business. They trade time for money and burn out within 3 months. And today, we're going to show you which side businesses actually scale and which ones are just another job with extra steps. This is part one of a 3-part series on building a real income stream that grows. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which type of side business fits your skills and your life. All right, so keep in mind, we're not financial advisors and this isn't financial advice. But to pick the right side business for you to scale your life. All right, let's get into it. 3 types of side businesses and why most people pick the wrong one. Well, type 1 is the time for money, trading hours for dollars. So an example is if you're tutoring, walking dogs, food delivery, doing a TaskRabbit sort of thing. The ceiling is you only make money when you're working, and then you hit that ceiling. So, and when you stop working, you stop earning. It's good for quick cash, but terrible for building wealth. All right, and the other type is a skill-based service. Higher value, but you're still limited by time. So examples are freelance design, video editing, web development, photography. Better pay per hour, but still limited. Somewhat scales because you can raise prices. You can get faster at something, or you can subcontract it out. Like an arbitrage type of thing. It's good money, but it's still a bottleneck. And type 3, scalable businesses. Money that works without you being there. Examples are digital products, making content, e-commerce, software, templates. Create once, sell forever. There's no ceiling. It's wide open. You could be sleeping when someone buys your Canva template pack. This is where real wealth comes from. The smart path is to start at type 1 or 2 to fund your type 3, your continuous scaling. Freelance to pay the bills, and you build a digital product on the side, and then the product income replaces your freelance. So don't skip the steps, but know which step you're working toward. Scalable businesses, you can start under 18. And start templates like Notion template, Canva, my favorite, Milanote, Lightroom, presets, spreadsheet tools. You can create once, you can sell on different formats. Zero inventory. Make one good template that sells 10 times a month at $15. That's $150 a month passive. You could stack 5 products, $750 a month while you're sleeping. All right, you want to create content? You can do that. YouTube, Instagram, whatever, blog, Substack. It takes time to build, but it compounds. Every video or post works for you forever, as long as that platform stands. You can monetize through ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, and selling your own products. A YouTube video you post today can earn money for 5 years or longer. Print on demand and e-commerce. You can design a t-shirt and other apparel, stickers. Again, zero inventory, zero upfront cost. You can focus on a niche: skaters, car enthusiasts, gym culture, trades. You're a brand owner, not a warehouse worker. Education and coaching. You know something that others don't, you can package it in a course, an ebook, paid communities. You don't need to be an expert, just 10% ahead of your audience. A $27 ebook that sells 50 copies per month, that's $1,350 a month. All right, how to choose the right side business for you? Ask yourself these questions. What skill or knowledge do you already have, or can you learn fast? What do people already ask you for help with? And what can you create once and sell more than once? The intersection of those three answers is your side business. Validation tests. Before you build anything, search for similar products or services and are people already paying for them. Competition is good. It means that there's demand. No competition usually means there's no market for what you're trying to sell. Don't invent a product, improve an existing one. You can start ugly, you can iterate later. Your first product will be rough, and that's cool. Ship it anyway. Version 1 gets your feedback. The second version gets sales. And then the third version, you get referrals. And then you start scaling. So 30-day launch challenge will look like this. Week 1, you choose your product, validate demand, create the first version in week 2. In week 3, you set up your sales page. In week 4, you launch and promote to your network. And then 30 days from now, you have a live product making money. All right. So, we have our free wealth building tools. Links in the description. And which type of side business are you going to build? Type 1, type 2, type 3. Let us know in the comments. All right, on Monday. So Monday you'll have picked your business, and now we're going to show you exactly how to price it so you're not working for free. All right, continue to build wealth. We'll see you in the next one.